Okay, let's be real for a sec. Have you ever opened your banking app, saw that number, and instantly felt your stomach drop? Like, you thought you were doing fine until reality hit you in one tap. That moment is so real, and so many of us feel it more often than we admit. We grew up believing that if we went to school, worked hard, and landed a decent job, we'd feel secure. That was the promise, right? But here we are, working, earning, and still feeling like it's never enough. So why does money, the thing we literally trade hours of our lives for, still feel like it's controlling us? It's like no matter how hard we work, it always has the upper hand. And honestly, that's exhausting. Add in student loans, crazy rent prices, and credit card debt, it's no wonder we feel like we're drowning. And then we scroll Instagram, seeing people with perfect trips, cars, and apartments. Suddenly, you feel like you're so far behind everyone else. Here's the thing, if we don't build money confidence now, this stress doesn't just disappear. It sticks with us, shaping every decision we make. And that's not just about money, it's about our peace, our freedom, and our future. So yeah, money stress is real. But the good news? You can actually flip the script and take back control, and that's what we're about to do together. Here's the truth. Money confidence is not about having 6 figures in your bank account. It's about mastering the mindset and habits that nobody ever taught us. Hey beautiful people, I'm Bella, and welcome to Money Talk, the place where we cut through the BS about money. Real talk, smart money, with Bella. If you're ready to stop stressing over money and start owning your financial power, hit subscribe right now. Quick note, I'm not your financial advisor. This is for education and empowerment only. Today, I'm giving you 7 powerful secrets to build unshakable money confidence, stuff I wish someone told me in my 20s. Let's dive in. Here's the truth, girl. Money confidence isn't about stacking millions. It's about waking up and knowing you're in control of your choices, no matter how much is in the account. That control feels way better than chasing a number. Here's a wild stat. 60% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. And listen, this includes people who make 6 figures too. So more money doesn't automatically equal peace of mind. Imagine this. You open your banking app, and instead of panic, you feel calm. You know exactly what's coming in and going out. That calm is money confidence in action. Here's the trap. Waiting to feel confident until you make it big. That's like saying you won't go to the gym until you're already fit. Girl, it doesn't work like that. Think of it like this. Money confidence is a skill, just like training at the gym. You don't win it once you build it little by little, every single day. So here's your first step. Write down your own definition of money confidence. Not what society says, not what your parents say, your own. That's where real power starts. Okay, bestie? Let's get real. Money confidence doesn't come from hiding from your bank account. It comes from knowing your numbers as well as you know your best friend's relationship drama. Here's the truth. Awareness beats ignorance every single time. If you earn $3,500 a month but spend $4,000, no amount of hustling will save you from that math. Imagine this. Instead of stressing, you scroll through your transactions like it's your TikTok feed. No shame, no fear, just awareness and control. But here's the problem. So many of us avoid looking at our money because we're scared of what we'll find. But avoiding it doesn't make the problem disappear. It's like avoiding a mirror when you know you're sunburnt. You can hide, but the burn is still there, waiting for you. So here's your action step. Have a money date with yourself once a week. Just 20 minutes to check in, see what's happening, and stay in control. Okay, real talk. Savings shouldn't feel like punishment. It's actually your peace fund. Think of it as buying yourself freedom from future stress. Even a small amount like $500 can save the day. Believe it or not, that covers most surprise emergencies people face. Picture this. Flat tire, unexpected bill, or even a broken phone. Instead of panicking, you handle it like a boss. Here's the trap most people fall into. They skip savings and jump straight into investing. But without that safety net, even the smartest investments can feel shaky. Think of it like carrying an umbrella. You hope it won't rain, but when it does, you're covered. Start small, automate it. Even $10 or $20 every week adds up. Future you will be so grateful you started today. Let's get real. Having debt does not mean you failed at life. Debt is math, not a reflection of your worth. You are not broken because you owe money, you're human, just like millions of us. The truth is, the average millennial carries around $30,000 in student loans. So if you've been feeling like you're the only one drowning, please know you're far from alone. Debt is not your identity. It doesn't define how worthy you are or how bright your future can be. You are allowed to build your dreams while paying it down step by step. The messed up part is, society shames people for debt, but normalizes swiping credit cards for stuff we don't even need. It's time to flip that script. Think of debt like weight gain. It happens. It's part of life. But shame doesn't fix it. Progress, even tiny steps, is what actually creates change. So here's your power move. Pick one debt, focus on it, and celebrate every milestone you hit. Each small win proves you're not stuck, you're moving forward, stronger than before. Here's the truth. Sis, before you start throwing money into Wall Street, the best investment you'll ever make is in you. Your skills, your confidence, your growth, that's where the real magic starts. Think about it, a $500 course that lands you a $5,000 raise. That's way better than waiting years for a 7% stock return. You are literally your best stock. Imagine walking into your boss's office with total confidence, asking for that raise and actually getting it. Or finally learning a new skill that helps you create a side hustle you're proud of. But here's the trap: too many people chase hot investments, crypto, stocks, whatever, without first building their income foundation. That's like building a castle on sand. Think of it this way: plant seeds in your own garden before you go buying shares in someone else's. Your growth feeds every future investment you'll ever make. So here's your action step. Write down 3 areas where learning could increase your income this year. Maybe it's a course, a new skill, or just leveling up what you already know. You're your greatest investment. Here's the thing. Goals are exciting, but habits are what actually change your life. You don't need superhero willpower every day, you just need a system that works for you. Think of habits as the autopilot for your money. Let's say you save just $100 a month. Over 10 years, that tiny habit turns into $12,000. That's money growing while you're out living your life. The best part? You don't even have to think about it once it's set up. Automatic transfers mean your money is growing while you're busy binge watching your favorite show. The truth is, big resolutions usually fail because they're not tied to daily habits. It's like trying to run a marathon without ever training first. No wonder people burn out. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It's a tiny daily action that prevents major problems later. Your money deserves that same care and consistency. So here's your action step. Automate 1 bill, 1 savings, and 1 investment today. Do it once, and let the habit take over. This is how real money confidence is built: quietly, consistently, and powerfully. Here's the truth. Money confidence doesn't come from copying someone else's lifestyle. It comes from creating a vision that actually fits your real life. When your money supports your dreams, not society's checklist, you finally feel in control. Most of our stress isn't even about not having enough money, it's about comparing ourselves to others. Studies show nearly 40% of money stress comes from scrolling and comparing, not from actual shortages. Real confidence comes when your money matches what you actually value. For some, that's travel. For others, it's time with family or freedom to work on passion projects. But society tries to sell us the idea that rich means a mansion, a luxury car, or designer everything. That might look good on Instagram, but if it doesn't light you up, it's not real wealth. Think of it like your Spotify playlist. You don't copy someone else's vibe, you create your own. Your money vision should feel the same way: curated, personal, and totally yours. So here's your action step. Write down 3 things that make you feel wealthy, not Instagram wealthy, but real life, heartful wealthy. That's where your money confidence truly begins. So, quick recap: money confidence isn't about a magic number. It's about redefining money, knowing your numbers, building peace funds, flipping debt shame, investing in yourself, creating habits, and aligning money with your real life. When you do this, you're not just rich in dollars, you're rich in confidence, peace, and freedom. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a girlfriend who needs it. And let's talk in the comments, which secret do you want to start with today? This is Bella on Money Talk. Real talk. Smart money with Bella. Remember, money is just a tool, you are the one holding it. I'll see you in the next video.